This is the first point of bhakti. It starts here. It starts with the guru. It's like music. If you want to become a master of music and theory and so many things, well, it starts with getting a music teacher. You get a music teacher, that's a good start. And then we'll see how much music theory and everything one can develop. So, Krsna Chakravarti, he gives some good commentaries on these points. He says that when one receives a mantra, when one has a guru, he receives diksha, mantra diksha, he receives initiation into a sacred mantra. So it says that the guru's internal spiritual mood of service to Radha Giridhari, or Radha and Krishna, is conveyed or transferred to the disciple through the medium of a mantra. Everything is given in seed form within the mantra. At first, the disciple will not be able to understand, but by performing sadhana and bhajan under the guidance of Sri Gurudev, by meditating on the mantra given by him, gradually everything will be revealed. The mantra is a direct representation of Sri Gurudev. Haro rushte gurustrata, guru rushte nakashchana, tasmat sarva pratyanena, gurumeva prasadayat. If someone makes the Lord unhappy, the spiritual master may give him protection. But if the spiritual master is displeased, there is no one to give him protection. Therefore, one should please Sri Gurudev by all endeavors of one's body, mind, and words. So, Vishwanath goes on to explain the qualifications of Guru. One should approach him and submit himself to Sadguru with body, mind, and words. In other words, he quotes Mundaka Upanishad, Tad Vijnanartham Sagurum Eva Vigachet Samitpani Shotriyam Brahmanishtam. In order to obtain direct realization of the supreme absolute reality, which is known in Sanskrit as Bhagavat Tattva, Vastu Vigyan, a knowledge concerning Prema Bhakti, or knowledge about Prema Bhakti, a person must approach a Sadguru who knows the Vedas and he understands the truth of Krishna. Then, taking offerings in one's hands, one should submit oneself to such a Sadguru with body, mind, and words. That's Ashraya, Guru Pada Ashraya. Submit. Take shelter.